Hey guys, it's Darth Brooklyn from brooklyntrader.com with a quick video on levels to watch in CNET. So this thing exploded today, went straight up to almost $4. So I just want to throw a levels video out there. This is a sympathy play with Alibaba. So just want to throw some levels out there for you to watch. I already cracked one level that I was trying to get this video made before the level cracked, but it was 330. Let's just throw these lines out there. One, you can expect some continuation. If we can get right back above, if this thing can get through and go above 4, then you can certainly expect some continuation. But it looks like it's starting to tail off. It wasn't able to break this range right here of 360 for most of the afternoon. Let's just throw that in there. But that's also a level to watch to go in case you're thinking about going long. It really needs to get up through this high of this bar right here, 360 level. But it was also struggling today with a few fake outs. But you had this 330 level here. It finally broke below, so it looks like some of the ether is starting to wear off on the stock. Now it's trading at 316 down to 320. Looks like it's a hard to borrow stock. There are no shares to short out there. But if you have if you have a brokerage firm that has some shares to short, it doesn't really look like anyone's buying it anytime soon. It looks like it's really starting to fade hard now that it broke that 330 level and coming down. But of course, you always want to watch the whole number, so let's just draw a line in there at the 3 mark. See if it holds 3. If it doesn't hold 3, you can expect further continuation to the downside. So here's our 3 level. I really wouldn't do anything if I were trading this stock. I really wouldn't do anything unless it was able to break 3 or started trading higher and moved above this key level here of 360. Because you can really just get chopped up right in between this level. Let's see if this thing can get back up 330 through 330 first. But this is the danger zone right here. It's been trading sideways all afternoon. So if I were to go long, I would probably long it above this mark of 360 and short it below 3. And if I were to short it here, I would have a very tight stop of this 330 level that I couldn't break before. But another significant level I want you to take a look at, and my subscribers already know, is the Fibonacci retracement. So let's go right to there, and you can see, and this is why these Fibonacci retracement lines work. You can see here from the low all the way to the high, this thing just kept bouncing right off the 23.6, 23.6, and then it finally broke. 23.6 level could not hold on the fib retracement. So that signifies weakness in the name, and you're going to want to look at not only the whole number at $3, but your 38.2 level to see if that holds, your 290 level. So you may want to set your stops there or limits there to go long, because these things usually bounce off these fib retracement levels. They work. These fib levels really work. So 290, and then your 50% retracement level of 254, and of course the 250 level. You always want to look at the halves and the whole dollar numbers as significant levels of support and resistance, as well as your Fibonacci retracement lines. So your 50% line is right at almost at 250 at 255. Finally, CNET finally faded the 23.6 line, and it's now headed lower. So your next significant level is really going to be at 3, then 290. Then your 50% line at 250. All right, guys, hope this helps. Take care.